Hello, riders! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're buzzing about something that's going to make your commute a lot more fun. Meet the URC HDAR78 OOW for 5 km/h, foldable electric bicycle, a powerhouse of an e-bike designed for adults. This sleek and foldable e-bike is perfect for those who love to hit the road. With its 20-inch fat tires, it can easily handle any terrain you throw at it. And let's talk about the motor, a whopping 800 W. A power propels this bike forward at speeds of up to 45 km/h. But what makes this e-bike truly stand out is its foldable design. In just a few seconds, you can fold it down and take it anywhere with you. No more worrying about parking spaces or lugging your bike around your destination. It comes with a powerful 48-volt 17.5 Ah lithium battery that ensures long rides without any worries and can be recharged in less than 8 hours. So if you're looking for a fun and convenient ride, look no further than the URC HDAR7 foldable electric bicycle. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy riding!